Welcome guys to today's live intraday trading. Today we have taken 3 trades. First trade was in HDFCBANK, second was in TCS, and third was in Nifty August options 11,300 call. Okay, in that what was our position? I'll show you. At 203.85 we have entered the trade, and 206.50 we have booked the position. Let's see in the charts what we have done today. As you can see, on larger time frame, TCS was trading in a channel. So these were the levels for the TCS, and as soon as this level was broken, we have traded it. But what happened? This was the support area, and nearby that only we have traded. I'll show you in the order book as well, where we have put the order and where it got hit. In a smaller time frame, we see we shorted it here after the confirmation, but this was the support region. Here can you see, it is exactly the support region for TCS to bounce back to its upper level. So here also it has reversed from the support area. We were looking for the entry below this level for the short, because the trend was TCS was down initially in the morning hours. If you see in Nifty IT segment, it was also in a downtrend. See here, same scenario happened when we entered here after the breakdown of this trend, and soon it reversed from here. So today our stop loss got hit. And about the HDFCBANK, what we have done, it was in a uptrend, and about 1082 was our entry level. Previous day range was this one. So previous day high was near 1088. So our entry would be 1088, above 1088, and it was very sharp movement from the pre-open market itself, and in the morning, in first minute only, it has reached to 1099.20 from its opening, which is 1086, and its low. So where we have entered in this retracement, and here our stop loss got hit at 1100. I'll show you in the event section as well what we have done. We have entered here after this breakout at around 1103.10. so after that, what has happened, we were planning to put our stop loss below this level, 1099.5, but unfortunately we have taken a stop loss till 1100, that is around 3 rupees, which should be taken around 5 to 6 rupees. So this was the mistake. Otherwise, you can see how the stock has performed in an uptrend, because this was the retracement, and again you see these two candles low were 1100. After that it has reached till 1109 and 1120. This was the region where stock was having resistance in these levels. Here is the resistance area. So from there the stock has given a small retracement, we can see till the end of the day. Next was Nifty options. Many people are interested in learning options, so we have started trading options, and they can learn from our videos from now onwards. So many people were requested to explain the videos, so we have started explaining the videos, what we have traded and how we have traded. So in this I will see the orders. So after this consolidation, when near about 12 o'clock, we have seen a huge breakout in a Nifty, because Nifty was having its high till 11,460. So that was the level where Nifty was retracing and was its resistance. Today it has broken, and you can see after near 12 o'clock it has given this breakout, and it is still in this range, and it is coming back from this region. Here lower wick indicates buyer's pressure. So we can see how we have to trade. So this was the breakout, and after that 11,450 was the broken range, and with the volume it has broken above. So at that time we have entered here. We would have stayed in the market longer, but here was the consolidation area. You see, this was the range in which the stock has been till 230, and in 230 region it has given the huge breakout till 236.55, but we have booked small profits, and that's all for today's video. Those who would like to join ZERODHA, the link is given in description. And one bonus tip I would like to give for intraday traders, that is in Eicher Motors. So Eicher Motor has split its stock. It was priced around 11,700, and today on 24th August it has split from 10:1. So the price has reduced to its 10th size. So it is around 2200. 2199.45 was the opening, and you can see 2387. Okay, so that's all for today, and for tomorrow's trade we have selected Jubilant Food, which has given a huge breakout today, and you can see high and low. Low was 1975, opening was 1978, and high is 2137. You can see this range. I'll show you in this section as well. You can see our order book as well. There is nothing to hide. You can see our proper money management is followed here. Here in TCS also, I forgot to explain. I already explained, sorry. This was the reversal, and we booked the stop loss here because we know this was the support area, and if it is closing above this range it would come far more to 2253. So for tomorrow we can see SRF, which is also giving rejection from the upper level around 4300. So we can see if it is breaking below this range we can short it, but entry for this stock would be around 4100. Those are for positional. I am not talking about the intraday. As well as Apollo Tires also taking 200 day moving average support, and today it has just recently closed below 200-day moving average. So we'll see how it is working out. And this was the level. So for support and stop loss, we can consider 119, 120 was the level from where you can enter for the long position if it is retracing back to this level. Otherwise you can enter for long above 135 and keeping the stop loss of 126. So another stock is Tech Mahindra. In this also we can see it showed a rejection from here, and after that open is equal to high condition. We can see 734.95, 734.95, and it has made low of 719.25. so if it is breaking below 706, we can short it. Otherwise we can see the retracement from 703.90. this is the support level, because this was the recent retracement and was recent high around 702.75. so near about 700 to 705 it can get the retracement. Okay, so for Eicher Motors, I have already given the levels in my Telegram channel. If you haven't joined, please join my Telegram channel for the educational purpose videos and chart explanations. So today the brokerage and other things we can calculate here in ZERODHA brokerage calculator. Okay, so we add the contract note, and after that we can see here one stock I had forgotten, that is TCS and HDFCBANK. You can calculate it yourself. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow with Eicher Motors. Please keep your eye on Eicher Motors as it has split, and this was the stock in Nifty 50 which was having very huge momentum, where you can see Eicher Motor has an event today. Sorry, share split has been done. Face value change from 10 to 1. So that has happened on 24th August. So here are the levels for Eicher Motors. I have already drawn the levels on 1 minute chart because previous day was around 21,000. So in higher time frame it is not showing clear. So I have to keep the time frame in 1 minute. So these are the levels. The entry is above 2185. First target is 2195, second is 2207, 2219, 2231, and the stop loss would be 2173. If it is closing below and going below 2173, you can keep the stop loss of 2185 and go for the short targets of 2163, 2151, 2140, 2128. That's all. So this was the bonus tip. If you like our analysis, this is in a downtrend, so I expect this was the breakout for the upper level, so we can consider these levels to achieve tomorrow, and let's hope for the best. If it is breaking the bearish flag pattern, then we have a good opportunity to short below 2173 and getting the targets near 2151. I expect it to reach here tomorrow. So thank you very much, guys. Those who are interested in stock market and want to learn something, they can join our channel, share our channel with your friends, families, and you can see it's not that we are not having any stop losses, we are not having any positions. It happens because of our mistakes and we are learning from it. Okay, so that's all for today. Those who want to join our intraday trading price action course, you can WhatsApp me. The link is in description. Thank you very much.